Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be showing you a product that holds your remote controls for your PS5, but it also houses and charges your PlayStation Portal. So I like to use my PlayStation Portal in the same room as my PS5. It seems to maximize the efficiency of my PS Portal. So I also like to charge my remotes, and I'd like to have a handy place to plug them in. So this does all those things. It has the base, and then I can put my PlayStation Portal on there as well. So the function, you plug it in, and you got these lights on the top that show you if it's charged all the way, it's green, and then if it's charging, it's red. So you can see on mine that the controllers are fully charged, and I just put my PlayStation Portal on there to get charged as well. So it has the LED indicators here, and then it also has a Type-C plug. So the way that it comes with the Type-C that plugs right into the PS5 in the front right here. So that's what this cable does. So it's just one cable. It goes from that and plugs right into the front of the PS5. So on the bottom, it has non-stick material, or it has stick material to prevent it from sliding around. So as you can see, it's not going to slide around on you. And it's very small. And efficient. So you got a lot more space to fit all these things. If I was to have a charger for this, my PlayStation Portal, and a charger for my remotes, I'd have to have some kind of huge thing over here, but this makes it pretty simple and easy. So it also includes short circuit protection just in case there's a power outage or something happens to the plug. So one important thing to note is it actually comes with this little dongle that all you got to do is push it into your PlayStation Portal, and you can pull it out if you want to, but it stays in there nice and snug. I'm not worried about it coming off. And what that does, it allows me to just easily slide this guy in, and it's already charging, as you can see by the red light. Another thing that's a little different on these is you actually aren't putting your controller in like this, you're actually putting it upside down. So that Type-C plug that's on the bottom of your controller is just going to go right into the base. So you're going to push it in just like that. And you're going to take your other one and you're going to push it in just like that. So, and that'll start the charging process. So both of these controllers are fully charged. So they're not going to indicate that they're charging, but if they were, this would be turning red. If you're looking for a way to minimize the space and have an efficient charging dock for these products from Sony, I think it's a high quality product. I think it's going to last. It seems to charge well and fast, and I recommend it. So let me show you some action shots of the